May babae dito, nakipag-meeting ang abogado, tumawag. He wanted to see me together with his client. Ang pangalan, Tisha Bautista. Am I correct so far?
Yes.
Okay. Then he was with 3 lawyers. And ang sabi niya na gusto siyang mag-file ng kaso. She wanted to file a case, impeachment or whatever, about the hidden wealth of Bautista. Sabi ko, look, you heard me when I said I am not into the habit of prosecuting people, especially from the other side of defense, political friends. Lalo na si Bishop Bautista because he was appointed by Noynoy. I do not want to be misconstrued. Sabi ko, ayaw ko, leave out. Kasi hindi ako naghabol ng mga kalaban, lalo na yung mga official ng dating administration. That's why when this case of Aquino Presidente was filed, sinabi ko kay Chris, as a kapatid niya, Chris, you got it all wrong. I'm not in the habit of chasing people with prosecution.
Sir, but if you didn't plan to get involved in the whole affair, why did you then supposedly call both... sorry. Sir, if you weren't keen on meddling in the affair, then why did you call Comelec Chair Bautista and si Tisha Bautista po to Malacanang again to talk about this issue?
I was not meddling. I asked him to fix his quarrel with the wife. That's the thing that I can do as a lawyer. At sinabi ko, tawagin mo yan si Bautista kasi may nagareklamo sa kanya. That is the work of everybody, lalo pagka mayor. Sanay ako niyan. Sumbungan ako ng asawa mo, kaya ikaw, ang pera mo, sa iyo lang, yung pera niya, pati ikaw, kasali. Ang mga ganun. Sabi ko, you talk to your wife.
Sir,
Sabi ko, that is a very serious case. She's alleging ganun-ganun nga. Sabi ko, ayaw ko.
Sir, what would you say to comments of some people that this meeting between you and si Tisha Bautista was politically motivated, that it was meant to sort of throw mistrust into the elections last year? Especially since may electoral protest.
I cannot help but listen to people who have complaints against anybody.
But sir, you also instructed si Dan Hiran to investigate this whole affair.
No, I did not. I go give it to somebody else. I am not into the habit of investigating or prosecuting people from the other side of defense. Ano ka man, sige ka man balik-balik dyan. Sabi ko na, hindi ako interesado kasi ayaw ko yan. Sabi ko, sabi ang asawa mo, nandiyan ako sa kabilang kwarto. When I was informed by the Roger, I went out to Meron. Sabi ko, may reklamo yung babae. Sabi yung pera pa sa spare me.